So you're watching a close-up on customization 4 in the FabFitFun Winter Box. If you're new here, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box and shopping club where you can discover and try full-size products from top brands at amazing discounts. If you're already part of our community, welcome back. I'm Katie, I'm the co-founder and editor-in-chief at FabFitFun, and today I'm joined by the lovely, beautiful, and smart Teagan, our senior beauty buyer. We are going to deep dive on all the products you can choose from in this customization. If you're not a member yet, no worries, we have a special code for you at the end of the show, so let's get into it. Are we ready? So this is my sneaky little secret weapon to an amazing kitchen experience. This is the Grate plate. It's a 3-piece set. It includes a stoneware ceramic grating plate. It's really easy. You can just take a clove of garlic, rub it on here, instant grated garlic. It's magic. It also includes this silicone garlic peeler. Also super cool, you just pop a garlic clove inside, you push it, and out pops the garlic, ready to be peeled. And then of course, the beech wood handled brush. So it's perfect for garlic, ginger, citrus, all kinds of spices, and really transforms them into fine pastes, while the brush helps to make sure that everything stays clean. It's beautiful as it is and functional, and I am just obsessed.
Yeah, this would definitely be a good gift, especially a hostess gift. I have to say though, I will be keeping this because I do not like dealing with the grater. I'm always afraid of cutting myself. This is functional, but also will look great on the counter.
Yeah, it's super cute, really easy to use, great for a home chef and all food lovers alike.
Yeah, easy. All right, so next we have the Ettika Dripping Crystals Drop Necklace in gold or silver. I'm actually wearing the gold one today.
It looks so cute.
Thank you, I love it. It is weightless, which is great. It also is effortless, but it brings sparkle. I feel like it's a really good day to night piece. It's either silver plated or 14 karat gold plated, depending what color you choose. And it's accented by glass and CZ crystals.
We love that it's designed with a 15-inch chain plus a 3-inch extender, so it's totally customizable. If you want to wear it a little bit closer to your neck, like a choker, that works. Or if you want to wear it a little bit longer and layer, that's perfect. But it really is a great standalone piece as well to take you from day to night. Love.
Yeah, and I know we're always having conversations about gold or silver, what color to do, and we know that our members want all the choices in the world and we want to give that to them, so you have the option here.
So we are super excited about this next choice. We have the powder blush in 4 shades from the iconic brand NARS. These shades are now in talc-free formulas that deliver true color payoff and last up to 16 hours.
That's very impressive. I love NARS personally. I always opt for their blush. I feel like that's what they're really, really known for. And I love all of these shades. I'm actually wearing both of these today. So very buildable. At first you would think maybe this is too dark for me, but no, it is a very weightless and buildable coverage, so you control the intensity, which I love.
But I love that NARS is also incredibly inclusive, so these shades really do look good on a variety of skin tones. It's loved by makeup artists, and I will say it's a little different from some of the past blushes that we've offered that were more of a hybrid of a highlighter and a blush. This is a true blush, and we love it for the holidays.
And we also love NARS because they are sassy and playful with their names. So we have here Deep Throat, Infatuated, Torrid, and Forbidden.
So pretty.
Love. All right, so here we have Honeydew Intimates Undies 3-pack. So this is a 3-pack of comfy thong underwear, soft, stretchy blend, 88% nylon, 12% spandex, so you have that comfort, but what's most important is 100% cotton lining.
We love it. It's super soft, it's super stretchy, and it's obviously designed to match back to the pajamas for a perfect coordinated look. It comes in a multitude of sizes like the PJs, from small all the way up to 3X.
Yeah, and I love that they match. I think like there is nothing feels better than matching head to toe.
Well, you feel so put together.
You do.
Which is what we love, and in a time that's a little bit chaotic like the holidays, we can hang on to that.
A deep breath.
Yes, exactly. But no, these are so cute. Next up, we have the Very Cherry 6-piece sponge and puff set from Spectrum Collection. I mean, come on, is this not the perfect holiday stocking stuffer or what? This is an all-in-one blending set with everything you need. I'm talking 2 medium sponges, 2 mini sponges for all of your little detail work, and 2 velvet puffs to set and finish your look.
Yeah, and I love that it's very, very cute, but it's effective. Like, they know what they're doing. These puffs and sponges work great. I have been using them every day. They're designed for precision and ease. I really love the minis for concealer and getting into those fine spaces, and especially for baking.
Yeah, for sure. And I would say additional choice, this is a great one. I will be filling my additional choice to its top limit because it just makes such a good giftable set.
Yeah, a huge stocking stuffer that we love. All right, very excited to announce this. So this is the first time that we are bringing Haus Labs by the iconic Lady Gaga to our members. We have the PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze Plumping Gloss in 2 shades, Guava or Macaron. So this is a cushiony balm-like texture. So if you are one of those people who doesn't like the stickiness of a gloss, this is for you. But it's still high shine, and you get that soft, supple feeling after the color has worn off.
Totally, and I will say I'm obsessed with everything Lady Gaga does, and I also consider myself a lip gloss expert, and I really do love these. They're packed with peptides. They leave your lips feeling super nourished and hydrated all day long. I love both shades. They're both really, really wearable, and I'm excited for you guys to check them out.
Yeah, and I just want to point out, I absolutely love the Doe Fit applicator. It's angled, so you're going to be able to get your highlight Cupid's bow really, really well.
Nice. Love little things. Yeah. So last but certainly not least, we have a digital offer from Rent the Runway. I also consider myself a Rent the Runway expert. I have been a member for 10 years plus, and it's just like having a rotating, endless designer closet. You can rent, you can even buy pieces, and they're all great. You're gonna get $40 off your first 2 months, which is a great deal. And I use it all the time. It's great for office wear. It's also great for events. You take a lot of pictures. It's nice to not have to be in the same exact dress you wore last weekend. And I'm here for all the fun.
Yeah, I'm very excited about this because being in the office every day, I want a fresh wardrobe all the time, but I want to be very eco-conscious, and this is a sustainable option. So I can continue to wear new and exciting fits and serve at work, but also do good by the environment.
Yeah, it's the best. We're here, we're fans. We're really excited for you guys to check it out. Okay, I think that is everything for this choice. Thank you so much for tuning in. The code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Winter Close-Up. Have fun customizing your winter box, and we will see you next time. Bye.